You ever notice people treating you differently? Short replies, less eye contact, no respect. Here's the truth. Respect is lost quietly and fast. But today, we're fixing that. These are the 5 reasons people stop respecting you, and how to get it back instantly. Ever found yourself saying, "Sorry I'm late, traffic was bad and I had to..." Stop. When you constantly over-explain or justify, it screams insecurity. People don't respect someone who doesn't own their actions. Say it simply. "Hey, I'm late, let's jump in." Confidence is in fewer words, not more. If you say you won't do something and then do it, you just taught people you're no means maybe. Whether it's time, energy, or space, respect starts when you respect your own limits. People mirror the standard you set. Here's a harsh truth. The more you try to be liked, the less you are respected. Why? Because approval-seeking behavior equals low value. You don't have to agree with everything. You don't have to shrink yourself to fit. People respect those who have a solid identity, not a borrowed one. If someone disrespects you and you stay silent, they learn they can keep doing it. Next time someone cuts you off or mocks you, pause. Look them in the eye. Say, "Hey, I don't appreciate that." One moment of discomfort earns lifetime respect. Nothing kills respect faster than broken words. I'll start Monday. I'm gonna fix that. But you never do. When people see you don't follow through, they stop believing you. Keep it real. Say less. Do more. Even small actions build massive trust. Let's recap. Stop over-explaining. Don't break your own boundaries. Quit trying so hard to be liked. Call out disrespect. Follow through on your word. Respect doesn't come from being loud. It comes from being solid. Know your worth, and show it in how you move. Hit like if this woke something up in you. Comment "I'm done being disrespected" if you're ready to flip the switch. And don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started.